Hi, I'm Frank Spandler and I'm the owner of For You Tax and Bookkeeping. Today I'm going to show you how to enter in a sub account into QuickBooks. So first what we're going to do is we're going to make an existing account a sub account. So let's switch over to QuickBooks here. So I have an account and you can filter accounts right here that is for copier paper, and I want to put that into uh, as a sub account of my office expense account. So if I go in here, copier paper, and then I'm going to go hit edit from the drop down arrow here. Let me see, we got copier paper expenses, office, general administration. So we're going to make this a sub account just with this little button here. And now I'm going to put in office expenses. Then you don't need to change anything else in here. You just hit save and you're good to go. Now for adding a new account and making it a sub account, we can hit new, account name, let's say it's software, account type. So the account type needs to match. So in this case it is an expense account. The detail type doesn't actually need to match. But let's take a look here. It's best to try to select the best one that you can find. So office and general administrative expenses, make this a sub account. And we're going to go to office, expenses, and we're going to hit save. And now if we put in office, you can see that we have two sub accounts for office expenses, software and copier paper. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or need any more tips, please comment below. Not only that, if you're looking for a bookkeeper or a tax accountant, my company can help you. Just go to our website here, foryoutax.com, and click right here, New Client Booking. Thank you so much and have a great day.